my students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today, inshallah, we are going to start with your activity book, pages 49 and 50. But before we start, I just want to tell you that I'm your English teacher. My name is Rahma and I work with Relief International. This video is funded by the American government in collaboration with the Ministry of Education. So, the outcomes of this lesson are 1. To use the present perfect symbol and the past symbol to complete a dialogue. 2. To identify words from meanings to complete a crossword puzzle. So, let's start with your activity book, page 49. Okay? The first question is question number 4. طيب شو بيقول لنا question 4? The present perfect, look at the top of the question, and the past simple. Questions and answer. إذن in this question we are going to focus on 2 tenses. على زمنين رح نركز. The present perfect المضارع التام and the past simple الماضي البسيط. What is the present perfect and what is the past simple? تتذكروا هدول الزمنين؟ Do you remember these 2 tenses? We talked about them before. Okay, let's revise them before answering this question. Let's start with this revision. رح نعمل مراجعة سريعة لهدول الزمنين قبل ما نبلش بإجابة الأسئلة عليهم. The present perfect and the past simple. The present perfect المضارع التام past simple الماضي البسيط زمنين مختلفين. Okay, what is the difference between them? Let's start with the use استخدام كل واحد منهم. Number 1, we use the present perfect to talk about actions that started in the past and still influence the present. إذا بنستخدم المضارع التام حتى نحكي عن أحداث حصلت وبدأت في الماضي وما زالت still influence the present ما زالت بتأثر على الحاضر أو مستمرة إلى الحاضر. Okay? recent actions أحداث حصلت مؤخرا انتهت للتو. تمام؟ هدول استخدامين من استخدامات ال present perfect. Now let's talk about the past simple. Why do we use it? We use it to talk about actions that started and finished in the past. إذن again نستخدم الماضي البسيط حتى نحكي عن أحداث بدأت وانتهت في الماضي. Okay. Now let's read the keywords of these 2 tenses. في عنا دلالات لما تشوفيهم بتعرفوا إنه هذه الجملة present perfect أو هذه الجملة لازم نستخدم فيها past simple. Let's read the keywords from here. Ever, never, since, for, just, yet, already, recently, lately, this week, this blessed time, this month, okay, this year. All of these keywords are for which tense? Yes, for the present perfect. Okay, let's now move to the past simple. ننتقل للماضي البسيط نقرأ الدلالات يلي بتدل على هذا الزمن. Yesterday, last plus time, last مع زمن, last Saturday, last week, last month, last year, etc. Ago, when I was, for example, when I was young, عندما كنت, إذن in the past. In 1998 إذن past date زمن في الماضي برضو بدلني على ال past simple. Okay, after talking about the keywords and why do we use each one of them, let's read some sentences and talk about the form. نحكي عن شكلهم. Let's start with the form of the past simple. Okay, past simple. The form, you start with subject, then verb plus ed if it is regular. يعني watch, watched, play, played. طب إذا irregular برضه verb to. المهم إنه after the subject تحطي verb to سواء ed أو لا. play played, eat ate verb to. أو compliment بتكملي. طب let's read this sentence. He watched TV. إذن watched is verb to. He watched TV. طب let's change it into negative. قلنا بالنيجاتيف بنستخدم الها didn't. طبعا we talked a lot about this rule before. شرحنا هذه القاعدة في الحصص السابقة. Okay, let's change this sentence into negative. نحولها للنفي. He didn't. He didn't. What comes after didn't? Infinitive verb. He didn't watch TV. He didn't watch TV. إذن didn't plus infinitive verb. طب let's change it into question. In the question you should start with did. بالسؤال منبلش في الauxiliary verb الفعل المساعد did. After did بنحط subject, then infinitive verb watch, then complement. Okay? إذن by this we can form the past simple. إذا كان affirmative verb 2 negative didn't plus verb 1 و interrogative اللي هو السؤال did plus subject plus infinitive verb. Now let's move to what? Yes, let's move to the present perfect. This is the form of the present perfect. Start with the subject. After that have or has. طب how can I know if I should use has or have? Yes, according to the subject. If the subject is singular لأن الفاعل مفرد has. If the subject is plural فاعل جمع نستخدم have. Okay? إذن subject plus have or has plus past participle يلي هو نفسه الverb 3. Okay? ال past participle هو الverb 3. Let's read the examples. Number 1. He has watched TV. Has not have. Why? Yeah, because he is singular. he مفرد لهيك مو have. لا, you should use has. طب لو كان they جمع they have. Okay? طب what we said what should you use after have or has? Yes, verb 3. He has watched TV. طب negative add not بنضيف not after have or has. He hasn't watched TV. بتضلها ed بتضل verb 3 بعدها عادي. اوكي مو مثل السمبل باست. تمام. اذا والافيرماتيف والانتروجاتيف سوري اللي هو السؤال you start with have or has نبلش فيهم. اذا زي كأنه هون عملنا exchange تبديل لهاف وهاز اماكنهم. بدل he has he watched TV. اوكي ولو they are مثلا they have have they. تمام. بس الفورم هذا كان مراجعة سريعة لإله. Now let's start with your student book question number 4. Look at this page from Omar's passport and complete the dialogue. Okay, so this is Omar's passport. We are going to complete this dialogue which is between Rashid and Omar. There are some questions and answers. أسئلة وإجابات. Okay? Let's start with one. Rashid, have you been to Hong Kong? Have you been? عنا present perfect. How did you know? كيف عرفنا؟ لأنه في عنا have في عنا been الverb 3 إذن present perfect. تمام؟ طب كونه بلش السؤال he started the question with have. برضو الإجابة لازم تستخدم فيها نفس الزمن. إذن in the answer we use the same tense that we used in the question. نفس الزمن يلي بالسؤال نستخدمه في الإجابة. إذن have you been؟ الأنسر yes I have. طب إذا no I haven't. Okay so number 1 yes I have لأنه أصلا كان عنا have بالquestion. Okay let's move to the following. Rashid, here when here we have a question. when عنا WH question that's سؤال. بعدين عنا subject you وعنا go الverb. طب in this question should we use the present perfect or the past simple؟ أي زمن لازم نستخدم مضارع تام أو ماضي بسيط؟ Yes it is according to the keyword حسب الدلالة. طيب let's look at the question and add its answer. نطلع على السؤال وإجابته. and let's find the keyword. خلينا نجد الدلالة. عنا الدلالة هنا in 2007. قلنا لما يجي in plus date in the past, in مع تاريخ في الماضي in 2007, in 100 or in 1997 دلالة في الماضي بنستخدم الماضي البسيط. اوكي إذن وعنا question، هاي ال question mark. بالماضي شو بنستخدم؟ did. إذن الأنسر when did you go. when did اللي هي في الباست، you subject و go infinitive verb. when did you go. طيب هذا السؤال، لكن الأنسر هو عبارة، هي عنا full stop، هو عبارة عن جملة. طيب بالجملة حكينا بنحول الفيرب لفيرب to، فلهيك الأنسر بدل go بنحكي I went in 2007. وضحت؟ Is it clear؟ I went in 2007. طب let's move to number 5. راشد wow. So بعدين عنا you be to Canada as well. Okay. Here it is the same as the first question، على نفس نمط السؤال هذا اللي هو سؤال راشد as well، و to Canada عم بيسألوا مرة تانية على منطقة تانية. إذا رح نعمل سؤال على نفس نمط أول شيء اللي هو باستخدام present perfect. أوكي so have بعدين subject you been. Have you been to Canada. إذا the first question was what. Have you been to Hong Kong. بعدين so have you been to Canada على نفس النمط. أوكي الأنسر yes I have. ليه عنا yes I have قلنا؟ لأنه بيكون إذا الأنسر yes or no بنستخدم معهم نفس أداة السؤال yes I have. أوكي تمام. let's continue. 7 question عنا راشد when did you go. برضو نفس نمط 2007. احنا هنا في عنا زمن اللي هو in the past في الماضي. okay and because of that we used did. okay لأنه عنا 2009 بالأنسر. so when did you go. when did you go the answer is I went in 2009. إذا went اللي هي ماضي go و 2009 اللي هي دلالة الماضي، لهيك حطينا verb to simple past، ما استخدمنا مضارع تام. I hope the answers are clear. Now let's move to question number 5. Match the sentence beginnings from 1 to 5. هون عنا sentence beginning from 1 to 5 with their ending مع تكملتهم from A to E. Okay let's start with 1. He finished his homework. تكملة complement B before he went to bed. He finished his homework before he went to bed. إذا هون من المينينج ممكن تعرفي. 2. We have lived here. Yes, the answer is D, for 3 years. 3. Since my first trip to England, the answer is C, I've been back twice. 4. The expedition will last راح تستمر for yes with E 3 months. إذا انتبهي هون ممكن يكون دلالة، يعني احنا عنا الفور فبنحط دايركت الزمن بعده. okay the last one I haven't seen Carol with A since last Friday. Now we have finished matching. وصلنا لبداية الجملة مع تكملتها. question 6 بيقولنا use the beginnings. رح تستخدموا هذه البدايات again in from 1 to 5 in exercise 5 to write your own sentences. your own sentences جملكم الخاصة فيكم. so you should try to complete the sentence for example by your own words. try to do this and this question. حاولوا حلوا and send the answers to your teacher. Let's try to answer number 1 together. He finished his homework. طبعا الانسر كان B before he went to bed. طب نشوف تكملة تانية. Let's complete it in a different way. He finished his homework and what? For example, and he went out and played with his friends, okay? Last week, for example, or yesterday, as you like. Now let's continue. Let's move to page 50 and question number 7. Let's read it. Complete the dialogue with the past simple or present perfect simple form of the verbs. Then again we are going to use past simple or present perfect. Let's read these examples. For example, he went home. Okay, here I'm reading this example. Okay, he went home. went verb 2 is in past simple. He has gone نفس الفعل go. إذا كان تصريف تاني verb 2 بيكون simple past. إذا كان has to have plus verb 3 present perfect. He has لأنه he singular وقال الverb 3 home. Okay, now let's answer this question. Number 1. عنا let's read the dialogue. A. I not hear from Summer for a long time. For a long time دلالة لل present perfect. دلالة لل present perfect. لهيك I شو بتاخد have ومع not haven't والverb 3 من here heard. الأنسر I haven't heard from Summer for a long time. I wonder where he has been. ساتنا بنفس الزمن. where he لهيك حطينا has. لو plural بنحط have والverb 3 من be been. where he has been for the past few weeks. إذن برضو عنا دلالة for. Okay, let's complete. Don't worry, he's fine. I بعدين عنا speak to him yesterday. Yesterday دلالة ماضي لهيك we are going to use verb to speak. الverb to منها spoke. I spoke to him yesterday. تمام. he والverb عنا be on a trip to South America for دلالة present perfect. لهيك الانسر he has والverb 3 من be been. he has been. A. Oh بعدين عنا did he go on safari when he was there? And the key word here is when he was there. قلنا when he was دلالة الماضي لهيك استخدمنا بالسؤال did plus infinitive verb. طب let's move to the last sentence. At the end here we have what? yet دلالة لل present perfect. Okay, have وهذا plus verb 3. So yes and he took هذه للإجابة للسؤال اللي قبل. yes and he took lots of them. okay, but هلأ دلالتها yet يلي هي I haven't seen them yet. but I haven't seen them yet. Now let's move to the last question. Read the clues A to 6 and write the words in the puzzle. You're given the first letters. Let's start with 1. So this is a vocabulary question. Let's start with number 1. A group of people who work on a ship, plane or train. Yes, crew. The answer is crew, طاقم. 2. A person who travels through an unknown area to learn about it. The answer is explorer, مكتشف. 3. A ship or a large port. Yes, vessel اللي هي سفينة أو مركبة. 4. To move forward towards something or someone or something. Advance, تقدم. 5. Any of the words mean large and continuous masses with continuous مستمرة. masses of land. Yes, continent اللي هي قارة. 6. A place where ships load or unload. port اللي هي الميناء. Now we have the last word, which is expedition, okay, which is number 7. And it means a journey made by a number of people. رحلة بواسطة عدد معين من الناس for certain purpose، لهدف معين. اوكي، رحلة بيعملوها عدد معين من الناس، مجموعة من الناس for certain purpose. And here are the answers, okay, in the puzzle, okay. Now we have finished. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed our lesson. Goodbye.